Hey everybody, and welcome back to Crafting Made Easy. If you're interested to see how I did these two bottles, stand by. So the items you'll need for this project will include these two bottles. I purchased these from the Dollar Tree. I'm not sure what they're used for, but because the sticker on the bottle had just said bottles, but you can use it for whatever you please to use them. But yes, you'll need 2 of these bottles. You'll need some measuring tape, some vinyl with some sayings on there, some transfer tape, a little alcohol to wipe down your surface, and a cutting machine. I use my Cricut Joy to cut those out. If you have a maker, you can use your maker. If you have a Air Explorer, you can use that. If you have a Silhouette, whatever type of cutting machine you have, go ahead and use that. I believe that is all that you'll need for this particular project. As always, if I forget anything, I'll put it down there in the description below. All right, y'all, with that out of the way, let's get started. All right, so like I said, this is going to be a really quick video because not too much involved. What you're going to do first is measure your surface. So you want to measure your surface to see how long you want your lettering. So I just started right here with the square because I'm not going to put anything on the curved area. So about right there, and just measuring that, I get about 3.5, and then you want to measure across. So a little close to 2 inches, but I'm not going to do it that wide, so it really doesn't matter how wide it is. I just mainly want the length because I want it to be skinny. So once you do that, you'll go ahead and send your image or your words, whatever you're typing in there. You can put your surname on there. You could put Mr. and Mrs. You could put whatever. I am choosing love and peace on these bottles. But whatever saying you want to put on there, you go right on ahead. I'm going to take some alcohol. Go ahead and spray that down. And that's just going to allow the vinyl to stick a little better. I'm just going to wipe it off with this microfiber cloth. This microfiber cloth is very clutch when you want to test some stuff out with sublimation. So that's why my cloth has all of that on there. But I got it from the Dollar Tree. Then you're going to take your transfer tape and you're going to line it up with your saying. And real easy, just like with anything else. Make sure you brandish that on there. You can use your fingers or you can use the actual brandishing thing just to make sure that your vinyl is stuck to the transfer tape. Easy project. I told you it's going to be quick and fast. The love is a little shifted over to the left, but it's whatever. I can always take it off and redo it, but I'm going to leave it because I don't even know if I'm going to be putting these anywhere in my house. So, like I said, I'm not sure what these bottles are for. You could put oils and stuff in there if you wanted to. You could put a candle in there, like one of the skinny candles in there. You can do that. It did come on like this cute little charm on there, which is a lock, and then this one had a key, but it must have fell off somewhere. And I like the bow. The bow is really cute. So I'm not sure where exactly I'm going to put these up at. They could just be like decoration at Christmas time or whatever, child. I don't know. But I just thought I would just show y'all a cute little idea to do if you all found these bottles in your Dollar Tree. And yeah, so And they also have the sides in the back if you wanted to put something on those sides as well. But I'm just going to do the one side. But yeah, y'all, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, yes, really quick, straight to the point, not a lot of chit chat. If y'all enjoyed this, please go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. If you are just watching my videos and you are not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button along with the notification bell to be notified when I drop new videos. And if you want to show off your craft and show what you did with these bottles, go ahead and join my Facebook group, Crafted Made Easy. Just answer the 3 questions and then I will go ahead and admit you to the group. All right, y'all, until next time, y'all have a blessed and beautiful day. Peace.